Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix unable to connect to EA servers. So this method, first method will be for all users, Xbox, PS4, PS5, PC, it really doesn't matter. You need to change this option if you're getting this error, right? So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your browser. Then you need to go to a myaccount.ea.com, be on About Me page here. Section, then scroll down a bit until you see a regional settings. Press edit and then country region, select your country here, because it helped for a lot of people when they have the issue with unable to connect to the server, right? Save it. Language really doesn't matter, but the region is very important. Where you live, you need to put that exact country here if it's available for you. And then what you need to do here, look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, maybe problem is not on your end. So you need to just on Google write Apex Legends server status. Probably it will be the first link here. And then you need to look for your region here and look if the Apex servers is not down. If it's down, nothing you can do about it. You just need to wait. And if it's not down and still you're unable to connect, we can proceed with other steps. The first step, what I suggest to do here is to go to fast.com and test your internet speed. If you're getting good internet speed, you're good to go. And if you don't, maybe limit some devices or restart your router. And always use Ethernet cable if there is a possibility. Then go to settings. And then you need to look for network and internet, advanced network settings, then select Ethernet, your internet connection, edit. Then double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4, and apply the changes. And then here you should find network reset and reset your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your password again. If you're using Ethernet cable, you're good to go here. You don't need to do here nothing. And then what you need to do next is to just write command prompt, right click on it, run as admin. And then here you need to just write IP config space /flush DNS. Another command is nish winsock reset. And after that, restart your computer and look if the problem persists or not. So yeah, that's basically it.